Let's discuss about the Java object finalize method. We all know that finalize is a method of object class. It is a method of object class. This method is called just before an object is garbage collected. We all know that Java has automatic garbage collection criteria. So when a garbage collection occurs, at that time, just prior to the garbage collection, this finalize method of the object class should called and it will execute. Okay, but we can also override this method just in our class when we want to set our object as null. Okay, at that time, if we are writing a override finalize method in our class, and we can do any calculation or any statement we can print inside this class. Okay, before the garbage collection, this finalize method of the object class should run. That is sure about it. Okay, so this finalize method is for perform cleanup activities and minimize memory leaks. Finalize method is called by default for every object before its deletion. Let's go with an example. So this is a class finalize example 1. In this main method, we are creating an object. That means that object holds some memory location. So if it is holding some memory location, it should have a hash code in it, is it? So we can print that hash code. So we are printing that hash code. Then we are just making that object equal to null. Okay, so here we are destroying this object. At that time, if we are writing a finalize method, a override method, finalize method, it will execute when this statement execute. So here this object is becoming null. At that time, this finalize method should execute. And also we are just calling garbage collector explicitly in this program system.gc. So it is sure that before this garbage collection operation, the finalize method of our object class should execute, and that does not contain any system.out.println statement, so that we can't see what is happening, but it is sure that all the deallocation of the memory and the resources will occur at that time. Let's run this program. Here we are creating an object, and after that we are just destroying that object. So if we are destroying our own object and we have written a finalize method in this program, it is sure that this finalize method should execute at that time. Okay, here no need to call the finalize method in our program. Then we are calling the garbage collector. Then we are just printing end of the garbage collection. Let's run this program, compile it, run. See, first we have got this hash code of our object, then end of the garbage collection, that is all the statement execute. So before this object is destroying at that time, it is sure that the finalize method is also executing. Okay, so that is why finalize method called. Let's change our program. Here we are not making our object equal to null. Again we are compiling, we are running. See, here only end of garbage collection. Here we are calling the garbage collector, and it is sure that the default finalize method of the class object should execute. Then end of the garbage collection statement. Here we are not destroying our own object. Because of that, the finalize method should not going to execute. Clear about the finalize method? Thank you for watching.